All set for bed, honey bunny?
Mum, do I look any different to you?
Different? No. You're still my perfect little honey bunny.
So I don't seem any hairier?
Actually, your hair has got very curly. Maybe we should cut it soon. Night-night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bugs bite.
Bite? Oh, I'm turning into a werewolf.
Enter.
Henry, I need to talk to you.
What about, Peter?
I think I'm turning into a weird werewolf.
Well, the book does say that there's a cure, but it's very rare.
What is it?
Fangle juice.
Fangle juice?
Yes, fangle juice from the rare Fingal fangle tree.
But where are we going to get fangle juice from at this time of night?
Well, it just so happens that I know where we can get some. But it's very expensive. £2.
£2?
Well, if you want to turn into a weird werewolf.
I'll get my money box right away.
Genuine fangle juice. Delicious.
Oh, there you are, Henry.
Money first.
Oh, yes.
And it only works if you say you believe in weird werewolves.
Oh, yes, I do believe in weird werewolves. This tastes like chocolate milk.
Well, of course it does. You wouldn't want to drink it if it tasted horrible, would you?
Oh, no. Oops.
It's a full moon tonight.
So?
Don't you know anything? That's when you're most likely to turn into a weird werewolf.
I'm so happy I'm not going to turn into a weird werewolf. What is it, Henry?
Oh, dear. I'm not sure the fangle juice is working.
What? What do you mean?
Your hair's getting curlier.
Oh, no! What are we going to do now?
Wait. Here it is. If there is a full moon and the fangle juice hasn't worked, then whatever happens, you must try to stay awake. Whatever you do, don't go to sleep tonight!
Oh, no!
Peter? What are you doing up at this time of night?
I can't sleep. Can I watch TV with you?
Oh, it's way past your bedtime, sweetie love.
And you've got school tomorrow.
But I'm scared. Will you read me a story?
All right, sleepyhead. Let's climb the wooden stairs to Bedfordshire. And so Little Red Riding Hood set off through the forest. But she hadn't gone far when she met the big bad wolf.
I've changed my mind, Dad. I don't want a bedtime story, thank you very much.
Oh, all right then. Ready to go to sleep now, Poppet?
Yes, I mean, no. I don't know. Dad, are there such things as weird werewolves?
Weird werewolves? Of course not, Peter. Though I did see a really scary film once. Beware the Moon.
Good night, Dad. Henry?
What is it, oh hairy one?
Don't call me that.
All right then. What do you want, oh one with just a bit more hair than usual?
Will you come and stay awake all night with me? I'm scared on my own.
But I was asleep.
Please, Henry.
Oh, all right then. But we're going to need lots of supplies if we're going to stay awake all night.
What sort of supplies, Henry?
The tickly treat sort. Mum's got loads hidden in the back of the cupboard in the kitchen. You just have to go and get them.
Me? But what if I get caught?
Do you want me to stay awake with you or not?
Yes.
Then off you go. And make sure you get them all.
What do we do now, Henry?
I'm going back to bed.
But it's still night time, Henry. You promised you'd stay awake with me.
Is the moon still full, Peter?
Yes, it is.
Well, it won't be for much longer. Look, it's nearly morning. You'll be fine.
All right then. See you in the morning, Henry. Henry, is that you?
Oh, Peter, I forgot to ask you something.
But, Henry,
Can I borrow your Curse of the Mummy kit?
Take it!
Thanks, Peter. Nighty-night.
Henry, time to get up.
Ha! Weird werewolves. As if anyone would believe they really exist.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
It was as easy as that, fact.
Yeah.
I told them they had to collect as many party pooper protectors, that's empty toilet rolls to you and me, as they could before Gordon's party. Oh, and I said Gordon had to invite me to his party too, so that I could make sure the alien life force party poopers didn't infiltrate the party without them noticing and annihilate everyone. Oh, good word that, annihilate.
Yeah.
Nice try, Henry.
What do you mean, wormy worm?
I mean, nice try to and get yourself invited to Gordon's party, but it's not going to work.
That's what you think, smelly nappy baby.
Shall I tell you why it's not going to work, Henry?
Oh, go on then, impress me.
Because only the best boys are invited to Gordon's party, and you're not a best boy, and you never will be!
That's what he thinks.
Item number 64 on the agenda. Good deeds for this week.
Oh, picking up lollipop wrappers.
Collecting pennies for the baby bees.
Protecting ourselves from those who would deceive us.
I'll do anything to go-kart crazy.
Item number 357. New Best Boys Club members.
What? I don't remember putting that on the agenda.
Well, it's here, all written down in... Ooh, your spelling's gone all wrong, Peter.
Let me see. Ugh, that's not my handwriting.
But it's on the agenda, Peter. And we have to stick to the agenda, otherwise who knows what will happen. But all those who agree with me, raise their hands.
Oh,
What? Where am I?
So, do we have anyone who wants to join the Best Boys Club?
Uh-oh. I'm on. I do.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Only what, Henry?
Only I'm not very good at making beds and being tidy and doing good things. In fact, I'm not very good at doing anything at all.
Don't worry, Henry. We'll help you do all those things.
no! Don't believe him. He's not very good at doing anything at all because he doesn't want to be good at doing anything at all. All he wants to be good at is being horrid. And he's never, ever had a good as gold star.
You can have one of my good as gold stars, Henry. Welcome to the Best Boys Club.
Oh, I can't thank you enough.
Come on, let's go and do some tidying up.
Oh, the things I'll do to go-kart crazy.
but luckily my new book paid for it. Oh, I brought you a copy.
The naked vegetable?
Yeah, clever, huh? See, I signed it. To Henry inside.
Thanks.
Hi, Uncle Henry. Will you play with us? Please, Uncle Henry. I'm sure Uncle Henry's got a lot to do. Why don't you help lay the table? Oh, couldn't we play in the garden, Daddy? Pleasey please with Uncle Henry.
Follow me.
Hooray! Just don't get your tops dirty.
Ha! I knew I hadn't thrown this away.
Wow, what is that?
My trusty old bubble blaster.
Oh, is it like a water pistol?
Oh, way better.
Daddy says we shouldn't play with water pistols. They can get you all wet.
Yeah, well, your dad's a very thoughtful man. The secret is to take your enemy by surprise.
We're all wet. And we're wearing our best clothes.
Oh, you're dry. Now, who wants to have a go?
Me! Oh, look, here comes Granny and Grandad.
Mum? Dad?
Uncle Henry's been showing us his old bubble blaster.
Oh, that's nice.
Surprise, Grandma!
Oh, you're still horrid, Henry.
Henry! Something's burning!
Crispy pizza, anyone?
Hopeless, Henry. Yeah, hopeless, Henry.
And horrid. I can't think why you want to marry him, Margaret.
Oh, don't you worry. Give me a few weeks. I'll soon have him trained. Copy, Henry! Good boy. Sit, Henry.
How about a toast to the happy couple? The happy couple!
Smile, Henry.
Margaret, do you take this man to be your lawful wedded husband?
Of course I do.
Go on. Wait, not yet.
Henry, do you take this woman to be your awful wedded wife?
He does.
Surprise, Uncle Henry!
I hate you, Henry.
Yeah, I hate you, Henry.
Thank you.
Is he all right?
I think he's dead. Are you dead, Henry? Not if you are. Henry! Henry!
It's okay. None of it happened. We're not married.
Married? Yuck! I'd rather marry a toad.
I'm sure you will.
Oh, I hate you, Henry. I'll get you for this, Henry.
Henry? Will you play with me, Henry?
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
I want my bunny! Where can he be?
Maybe he's been kidnapped by aliens.
I want Bunny back!
Henry, you have got to find Bunny or else...
I've got to find out what happened to those time capsules. Eureka! That's it! Yes! I, Henry, have a plan.
This is a disgrace. If any of you know anything about the identity of these hooligans, please come forward.
I bet they were boys.
Miss?
Henry, no!
Miss? We mustn't give in to these hooligans.
Henry? No, quite.
We should bury another capsule to show them we won't be beaten.
Excellent idea, Henry. Come on, children.
What's your game?
Henry, have a gold star.
Oh, thank you. Maybe the children of the future would like it.
How unusually unselfish, Henry. Well done. Right, let's get this capsule buried.
Yes. Al, you're good at digging. Shh. I mean, you probably are. Now we wait. This is the police. You're under arrest. Oi! Come back! Who are you? Miss Oddbod?
Henry?
You're the time capsule thief?
No. Well, yes. Oh, this is a bit embarrassing. I like to keep a souvenir of all the children who pass through my school.
Did you dig up all the other boxes as well?
Yes, everything's in my attic at home. It's my way of remembering you all.
Couldn't you just take a photo of us?
Look, Henry, if anyone were to find out about this, it might be a bit awkward. Henry, do your parents know you're out this late?
All right. I won't tell if you won't.
Promise?
Promise. But I need Bunny back.
Of course. Though that means I won't have anything to remember you by. Still, you're probably the one child I have no wish to remember and will probably never forget.
I can live with that. Here's Bunny.
Bunny! Where have you been?
Can I have my pocket money now?
Henry, do you know what this is?
It's my slime. Uh-oh. It's my slime.
Yes, and Miss Battleaxe found it at the scene of a crime. Apparently you organised the trashing of the school gardens.
Well...
And it's going to cost a lot to replant everything.
But...
So that means no pocket money for you for a very long time.
So easy being me. I'm Horrid
Henry! Morning, Henry.
Morning, Ralph.
Good one or bad one, Henry?
Dunno yet.
Me neither. Started good.
Let me guess. Breakfast in bed?
Yep. But then, disaster struck. My red shirt was in the wash.
Haven't you got another?
They were all in the wash.
So bad morning then.
Well,
Hang on. What am I talking about? You have someone who brings you breakfast in bed and picks up all your clothes and gives you the clean ones even if they aren't the right colour.
well, yeah.
That would be a mega good morning for me.
Well, yeah.
Guess it's all relative. Maybe you should be rich, Ralph, instead of rude, Ralph.
Nah, I'm rude. Always have been, always will be. Ruder than
Greetings, Owl. How's your morning so far?
Good so far, actually. I've done 3 laps of the park, and I've got time for 1 more before school.
Well, that's, cool.
See yous all later.
Like I say, it's all relative.
Talking of relatives, Henry.
Okay, yeah. Morning, Henry.
What do you want?
Just being friendly. Okay, yeah.
Why?
Got any of those sticky spiders left? Okay, yeah.
Why do you want to know?
Well, they're all the rage at school. Okay, yeah. And I said I had loads at home. Okay, yeah.
And Rich Aunt Ruby won't buy you any?
Well, no. I mean, okay, yeah.
Come over at the weekend and I'll see what I can do. Okay, y'all?
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Thanks, Henry.
What'd you do that for?
Dunno, being generous, I guess. Plus, you never know when a favour like that will come in handy.
I guess. We're going to be late.
So, I'm feeling good about this morning.
We'll get detention.
Do you mind getting detention, Ralph?
Well, no, not really. Though it would be cool to toot Scoot a bit this afternoon instead of watching soggy Sid pick his nose for an hour.
Agreed.
How does that work, Margaret?
Trust me, Linda. It'll work. Best boys! Best boys! Best
Oh, it's a jungle in there. Ready? We going in?
I don't know.
We're going in.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
This way! Get ready for something that's not just horrid. It's really horrid.
Don't be horrid, Henry.
I've got a feeling that today's going to be a good day. It's Horrid Henry on the big screen. Exclusively at View this summer. Featuring your favourite stories, songs and brand new music videos. Yes! Wanna do it! So, get your tickets now and spend summer at View with me, Horrid Henry. With all your favourite characters. Yeah. Did I say you, bogey brain? Horrid Henry on the big screen, exclusively at View this summer. It's holiday!